In a world where AI can do almost everything, have you ever questioned, why bother learning anymore? Welcome to Sounds Nice, where we delve into fascinating topics, today exploring why education still holds the throne in our rapidly evolving world. Even as technology strides forward, education remains the key that unlocks our potential. It's not just about acquiring information, but rather learning how to think, create, interact, adapt, and grow. Stay tuned as we dive into the reasons why education remains irreplaceable. Reason 1. Education teaches us how to think critically, analyze information, and solve problems creatively. It's the foundation of our ability to question, to probe, to seek out the truth in a world overflowing with information. This skill is more than just memorizing facts and figures. It's about understanding context, recognizing bias, and discerning between what is relevant and what is not. Critical thinking is a uniquely human trait that molds us into independent thinkers. It equips us with the ability to make informed decisions, to challenge status quo, and to innovate. It's what sets us apart from machines, no matter how intelligent they may seem. AI, with its algorithms and data processing capabilities, can surely mimic patterns and make predictions. However, it lacks the ability to question, to challenge, to innovate, and to think outside the box. It lacks our human touch. No matter how advanced AI gets, it can't replicate human critical thinking. Reason 2. Education sparks our imagination, fostering creativity and innovation that drive progress. From the moment we first dip our fingers into paint or scribble our thoughts on a piece of paper, the learning process is an explosion of creativity. It encourages us to dream, to envision, to innovate. As we learn, we discover new ways to express ourselves, to solve problems, to view the world. Every poem we write, every equation we solve, every theory we propose is a testament to our unique creative spirit. This is something artificial intelligence can't replicate. AI may be able to generate patterns to mimic art, but it lacks the human touch, the emotion, the passion that real creativity requires. The magic that comes from a human mind sparked by education is unparalleled, and that's why learning still matters. AI can't replace the creative spark that education ignites in us. Reason 3. Education helps us develop social skills and emotional intelligence, essential for building relationships and collaborating effectively. Imagine being in a group project without the ability to communicate with your teammates or empathize with their perspectives. It's through education that we learn to navigate these social dynamics, to listen actively, to articulate our thoughts clearly, and to understand and respect diverse viewpoints. Emotional intelligence, on the other hand, enables us to manage our emotions, to show empathy, and to establish positive social interactions. While artificial intelligence can simulate responses, it lacks the human touch, the ability to truly feel and understand emotions. It can't teach us how to be compassionate, how to comfort a friend in distress, or how to collaborate effectively in a team. These are inherently human attributes, learned through real-life experiences and interactions that are crucial in both personal and professional settings. AI can't replace the interpersonal skills that education develops. Reason 4. Education prepares us to adapt to change, embrace challenges, and bounce back from setbacks. In the ever-evolving landscape of our world, adaptability is a prized commodity. It's the ability to pivot when circumstances shift, to remain resilient in the face of adversity, and to continually learn and grow. And where do we acquire this invaluable skill? You guessed it, through education. Education isn't just about facts and figures. It's about learning to navigate the unpredictable seas of life. It's about embracing the unknown, not as a source of fear, but as an opportunity for growth and innovation. It's about understanding that failure isn't a dead end, but a detour on the road to success. This is a trait that artificial intelligence, with all its algorithms and calculations, can't replicate, because at its core, adaptability is quintessentially human. It's a testament to our capacity to learn, evolve, and overcome. AI can't replace the adaptability that education fosters. As we've seen, education is about much more than just acquiring knowledge. It's about critical thinking, teaching us to analyze, understand, and create solutions to complex problems. It's about unleashing our creativity, sparking our imaginations, and driving progress. It's about social skills, helping us build relationships and collaborate effectively. It's about adaptability, preparing us to embrace change, tackle challenges, and bounce back from setbacks. Education is about personal growth, a journey of self-discovery, shaping who we are and who we aspire to be. It serves as our ethical compass, guiding us to make sound decisions and act with integrity in a complex world. It promotes cultural understanding, fostering awareness and appreciation that bridge divides and promote harmony. It equips us for future readiness, providing us with the skills and knowledge to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Education is about empowerment, enabling us to pursue our dreams, advocate for ourselves, and make a positive impact on society. And most importantly, education instills in us a lifelong love of learning, fueling our curiosity, and enriching our lives in ways that AI simply can't replicate. So let's continue this journey of learning, growing, and evolving because the power of education is irreplaceable. Remember, AI can't replace the power of learning. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sounds Nice for more insightful content.